time, send it Steph. It's going for a quick spin. Some of you guys are new from Jackie's Moto Garage. I just wanted to say thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Jackie is awesome. Go check it out. I'll link it somewhere here. Hey, sir. I ride a sport bike. I just want to ride all the bikes. I want someday a Grum, an ADV bike, more cruisers, more sport bikes. I just have this motorcycle obsession. And I started motovlogging because I didn't know a whole lot of other female motorcyclists and like near me. I know a lot of guy motorcyclists, but that's great. I mean, I love riding with everybody, but it's something, a different bond. It's about 80 degrees out, 82 degrees today. In the mood for some ice cream. Went down to a motorcycle shop, got some cleaner for a new bike I picked up actually. So I'm waiting on some parts for it, and I will debut that in another video coming up shortly. So hey, there's my better half. Dirt biking around here is fun. Lots of rocks. I started out riding dirt bikes when Jeff and I first started dating. It was something we bonded over. He taught me how to ride, and I never looked back. I love ice cream. And I love coffee. I think I'm going to get some coffee ice cream today. Top of the hill. Tractor sighting. Slow moving vehicle. So here we are at Poppy's Ice Cream. They sell burgers and stuff too. Hey, sir. Yeah, he was way too cool to wave. Ooh, boats and hoes. We want to park in the shade. Just got some ice cream. Earlier today we went to the DMV. Register a new bike. And I'll let you guys guess in the comments what I got. Just came across it. Couldn't pass it up. Wanted to try a couple more bikes out, but I kind of already knew what I wanted. So here we are. And we're going to go to a parking lot and just kind of like test the waters a little bit, just like we did with the Dyna. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. And yeah. So thank you for watching and subscribing. How exciting. This whole YouTube adventure started for me because I didn't know a whole lot of female motorcyclists, and I've only started to meet a couple because of YouTube. It's really cool to know so many women are avid motorcyclists. I feel like years ago when I started riding, I didn't know a whole lot of women riders. So YouTube has been really cool for me to meet some amazing and watch amazing women motorcyclists who just love all things motorcycle like I do. It's been really cool. I've really enjoyed it.